minutes. Then I write the conversation now. Should I write the same conversation or different conversation? What is it? Different. How many groups are we? Three. I hope it enters. So what do you think we should talk about? I have one in my head. So what do you think? I'm thinking of somebody needs school, okay? And probably we meet each other on the way. And the conversation ensued. The first, somebody greeted first, and the next person responded. Please listen, I'm building the conversation now. So, and the person asked you, why were you not in school? You gave the reason, and you greeted and parted with. That's one conversation. The next conversation, I'm thinking of somebody going to the market to buy something, and you're now pricing it. Is that difficult? Do you think it's difficult? No. You think it's not difficult, right? Because one person from the group, somebody will be the seller, one person will be the buyer, and maybe group of people, 2 people will be the buyers or sellers, okay? You go to a particular store, the person's price is more expensive. I want to give a meaning that is easier for you to pick, okay? Easier for you to pick, and you can easily flow with it. Are we good with the first conversation? Yes. Somebody missed school. Are we also good with someone going to buy something in the market? Yes. Okay. The last conversation will be, you're just coming into school and you're going to have a test. Would that be difficult? Can somebody give me another one for the 3rd class, for the 3rd group? Playing. Okay. So let's write the conversation now. How many are we in a group? 16. That means we're going to choose the people that represent your group. How many
Two. Are we 3?
Probably a group that missed school will just be 2 people. Then the one that's going to the market to buy something could be 3 people, 2 different sellers, and 1 person coming to buy. Maybe 4. Somebody now comes to greet and pass. That's 4 people in that group. So you choose in your group. The people that somebody missed class. Daily. Because the whole day. Keep quiet. I want you to random name. Nkechi na Ada or Nkechi na Obinna. First group, Nkechi na Obinna. For the first group, Nkechi na Obinna. That your group is, you missed one person missed class. You missed school that day. Okay?
Stand up. Who again? Two of you stand up. Can we keep quiet? Can we keep quiet? Repeat. Let me catch the group that will make noise in clap.
So we are assuming it's after school, so we're using Ndewo, okay? I'm not translating it to English, so I will teach you how to read it.
You wrote Nkechi.
Yes, I'm building the conversation. So Nkechi and Obina. Obina was the one that went to school. No, Obina was the one that missed school. Okay? Nkechi went to school. And while she was coming home, she met Obina on the way, probably going to buy something. And his face was not looking good. So after greeting Ndewo, Nkechi says, Kedo. Remember, Kedo is a short form of Kedo email. So let's just use Kedo. Obina says, Ademma. Ademma. We use the easiest form. I said Nkechi, okay, Nkechi was the one that went to school. Nkechi says, Ibyaga akwụkwọ taa. Remember, akwụkwọ has 3 different meanings.
You wrote Nkechi.
It's Nkechi now. What are you saying?
Oh, thank you, my love.
Okay.
Akwụkwọ has 3 different meanings, okay? It could mean book. It could mean school. It could mean learning, depending on where you use it. Nyem akwụkwọ, give me my book. Ijega akwụkwọ, you didn't go to school. Akwụkwọ na-atọ ụtọ.
Ọ na-asọ gị ka mụta, onye were nkacha obi, ọ ga-amụta akwụkwọ, ọ bụrụkwa na nne ya na nna ya nwee ego, ọ bụrụkwa na nne ya na nna ya nwee ego.
We know the meaning, right?
Yes.
Okay. Listen, the meaning is learning is interesting, but it's challenging or difficult to learn. It's only the patient one that ends up learning. Okay? Provided your mom and your dad have money to pay your school fees. That's the meaning. Okay? So in that song, akwụkwọ means learning. I told you 3 meanings. Who remembers?
Me.
The first one is what?
Book.
Okay. Second one? Third one? Oh, plenty people. I can't even finish. I'm sorry. If you have akwụkwọ taa, taa is today. If you have akwụkwọ taa, should we put gịnị mere? Who is learning Nkechi? You need to be good and fluent. If you have akwụkwọ taa, comma, gịnị mere? Gịnị mere means what happened? Obina says, what should Obina say? Ahụ adịghị m or nne m ahụ adịghị ya, which one? You prefer?
Ahụ adịghị m.
Ahụ adịghị m, but he saw you on the way. What should Obina say? Should we say ahụ adịghị m or enwere ihe mere? Which one?
O nwere ihe mere m.
O nwere, can you say o nwere ihe mere? It means something happened. Okay? O nwere ihe mere, something happened. So we should use o nwere ihe mere, right? Which one?
Yes. O nwere ihe mere.
But you can't go to at this school. It doesn't
O
matter.
nwere ihe mere. That's okay.
O nwere ihe mere, so we should not use sickness, abi? O nwere. Nkechi will say,
Hope is not serious.
no, okay.
Let them stop there.
They should stop there.
Yes, yes.
I don't want it to be too long.
You want to bye-bye?
So when I finish, Nkechi will say, Maniga Abiechi. Maniga Abiechi. What do you think it means? Beautiful. Can Maniga Abiechi. Sorry, my love, it fell. So Nkechi will say, Maniga Abiechi.
Is that?
You know the dog we should want.
Tomorrow. Maybe because pray for the other three conversations. So you write it down. Let me
Let
Maniga Abiechi. Odina says, and Cody, please die. You know, right? Okay. So you either say Cody or you say Kemesia. And then Obina responds back, Kemesia, part with that.